Don't let anybody keep you away from pursuing what it is you want to do. Pursue it to the best of your possible ability until you know what the answer is. And never count anything by money. Gold is an ugly color.
Shack, ayy, one, live and direct, I'm back on set action, create the wave, we cannonball splash 'em, mic cord swinging, get your head chopped, point blank, dead stop, 16 bars in a headlock, one-on-one dead stock is what I'm dropping, drugs on tap, so what the fuck you copping, way too locked in, I don't see another option, grew up chopping, full denim suit rocking, I got 100 dogs on the leash, time to let them go, 1,000 hands in the crowd, we can make them all, stick up, stick up, stick up, stick up, whoa, get up, get up.
Leute, macht mal Lärm für die All4One Hip-Hop Jam.
With the face hitters, do you wanna know what time it is? Head knock, yeah, we want it all. Stick up, stick up, stick up, stick up, whoa. Get up, get up, get up, get up, go. Pump it.
I've been to a lot of hip-hop events in the past couple of years, and I've never seen something so good, so cool.
Every day, but I'm better in the clinch. Don't really rock chains, I'm much better with the whips. All black paint job, full leather with the tints. Hanging out the window of that bitch like, yeah.